Bielsko-Biala again. It's a beautiful Friday today and we are going to shoot some street videos. We're going to use Leica M10 with the 35mm 1.4 Voigtlander lens, and let's see what we can do. So let's go shooting. So as you can see, this was probably the first pretty nice day in Bielsko with the really spring weather. So I was very happy with that. I took my Leica M10 and 35mm Voigtlander lens and just go to do some street photos in the city. So as for the settings, I started with 400 ISO, and as you will see later, I stayed at this value for pretty much the whole shooting time. I started with 1/500 of the second on the shutter and f8 between f11. It was all dependent of if I was in the full sun, then I switched to 1/1000 of the second, or if I was in the between the buildings that were casting the shadows. So the weather here today is absolutely beautiful. The sun is pretty hard. So we are going on f11 and this is the second part. So let's roll out. Today is a good day for street photography. There is a lot of people here, so I'm happy. I'm really happy with that. And okay, let's go for the second pass of the Bielsko. See ya. So here at this moment we are already a couple of hours in the shoots. The weather is still amazing. You can see the pretty blue clear sky without almost no clouds on it, although it gives pretty harsh light, which can be tricky to work with. I absolutely adore that weather. It allows me to be around f11 or even f16. f11 or f16 gives me very large depth of field, which basically making my Leica M10 point and shoot at this moment. So I'm setting f16 or f11, 1/500 of the second or 1/1000 of a second, and all I need to do is just point and shoot. And this, to be honest, is the real freedom on the streets, because you are not thinking about the settings, you are not thinking about, holy crap, god damn it, do I have right shutter speed or do I have focus where it should to be. Now on the 30mm and f11 I'm setting my lens to 2 meters, maybe 2.5, and basically everything from 1.2 meters to 5 or ever to infinity in f16 is in focus. So this is what you call freedom on the streets. So thank you, Bielsko-Biala, for today. It's time to finish the first session. I'll probably be here at the evening as well. So see you in the next one. Bye.